Masarap. Mas masarap to pag may cheese.
That's true. That's true.
Masarap na. Okay guys, for today's video, gagawa kami ng tuna quesadillas or tuna wraps. Okay. So, meron tayong tuna. And then, meron tayong onion. At meron tayong mushroom. Pero depende sa inyo. Pwede itong corn or mushroom. Pero wala kasi akong corn na nakita. So, mushroom na lang. And then, meron tayong mayonnaise, salt and pepper to taste, and salt pala to. Ito yung pepper. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Kasama ko pala si Ate Riam. So, tutulungan niya ako to prepare this tuna quesadillas para matutunan din niya.
I don't even know what's that. Sorry guys, we didn't make it too far because the fruits make it hurt.
So guys, unahin natin na i-drain yung ating tuna. So, i-drain muna natin.
Open it, open it. Open it, open it. Open it, open it, open it. Are we going to put the soup in?
Okay, so na-drain na natin. So, ilagay natin. So, ilagay na natin to dito sa lalagyan. Yung na-drain natin na tuna. Then, after, ilagay na natin yung onion.
Onion, yes.
And then, ilagay na natin tong mushroom.
Mushroom. It looks like flabbies.
Yan.
And we mix it all up.
Tapos, lagay natin tong mayonnaise. Ito yung ginamit ko kasi medyo matamis to kumpara dun sa isa. Then, lagyan natin ng pepper.
Pepper. Oh my god.
Then, salt.
And more.
Then, haluin na natin.
Are you sure this is delicious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Delicious.
It looks like a baby food, but I don't know.
Pwedeng corn yung ipalit nyo sa mushroom. Pero pag wala, di mushroom na rin. Then, pwede naman natin dagdagan pa ng halu-haluin lang natin. And then, after neto, yan, pag nahalo na natin siya, taste mo ate.
Am I in sync? too wet. Let's see. Pretty tastes good. Pretty tastes good.
Ngayon pa natin ang salt.
I don't know. More salt of that. Look at that. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Pour more. Pour more.
Hindi okay. Then, lutuin na natin.
I'm just gonna add it.
Open na natin ito.
Let's open it, open it, open it. Yum. Why don't open? Oh, there you go. Can I pick some?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 lang muna ipipipil natin.
Okay.
Ilan ba pala? 6, 7, 8, 10 pieces. 10 pieces na ito is 72 pesos. Okay. So, yan lalagay mo na.
We're going to put cooking oil, everybody. Wow. Oh my God. Ow, ow, ow. Natalsik sa akin.
I'm sorry. Tapos,
No, it's just the cooking oil.
painitan muna natin to.
How did you do that? Huh? Are you Superman? You just touched it. For real. It looks like I don't see anything.
Kaya lang natin siya mag-brown.
Okay. Brown, brown, brown. Wow, that looks good. White plus white equals brown? That makes no sense.
Ano, look like this, oh. Brown. See that?
Yes, I see that. Look at that, guys. It looks so yummy. I want to eat that. Okay, let's put it to 1-1. I'm barely using my feet to crawl.
Tapos ilagay na natin yung
Ooh, that's yummy, everybody. Are we gonna post to just fold it?
pwede rin nyo rin itong lagyan ng cheese. Kaso hindi kasi ako nakabila ng cheese. So, wala siyang
Wow.
cheese.
I wish there was cheese.
Yeah, cheese.
How about later we buy cheese and make another video like this? Like that.
Yeah, next time we'll buy cheese.
Yeah.
Yan itong isa.
Okay, one more.
Half.
Okay. Oh, it says it's 2 minutes. Okay, how? Got it?
Pag ganito na siya, brown na siya ito. Okay na to. So, yan natin siya sa loob.
Wow, yummy. I'm just kidding. I'm not eating it.
Then,
Careful, it's hot.
Samsa ng pepit.
Cut it. Oh my god.
Let's try.
Can I taste?
Yeah. Ayan, so ito, okay na to. Cut natin siya sa gitna. Ayan, so yun ang nauna na si Rian. Kaya ano niya. Masarap ba na?
Yeah.
Sarap?
Yeah, there's a little cheese.
Oh, mas masarap to pag may cheese. Ayan siya, so fluffy siya.
Dang, it's a whole tower.
Pwede nyo rin ito lagyan ng hot sauce kung gusto nyo.
No.
Pag gusto nyo na maanghang. Ako gusto ko may hot sauce. Hap. So guys, ayun. So tapos na natin ang ating tuna. So tikman natin. Ang sarap. Ang masarap to pag may cheese.
That's true. That's true.
Masarap na.
There's a lot of cheese in here.
Tapos ano pa, malutong. Crunchy.
Yeah, it is.
Sarap. Mas masarap to pag may corn at cheese. Perfect. So yun lang guys for today's videos. Bye!